Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to solve the problem related to Medain, and the question is of discontinuous data. Yes, in the screen you can see the question. The question is find the median of given data. You see here the class interval 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 49, 30 to 39 and the corresponding frequency. If you see the question over there, then you can find easily it's clear that the question is discontinuous. By being discontinuous also, just see here 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 39, but over here 30 to 49. Over here, two discontinuous data has been merged. For that one, we need to separate the two class interval, okay, or it means we need to write the exact one. Means we need to write the corresponding frequency of 40 to 49 over here. You see here, this is 30 and it is 49. For discontinuous, 30 to 39 and then 40 to 49. See over here, 30 to 39 it's 8, frequency is 8. From 30 to 39 frequency is 8. But from 30 to 49, but from, okay, I'll write here, but from 30 to 49, okay, from 30 to 49 frequency is 11. See here, then what will be the actual frequency of this 40 to 49? It will be 40 to 49 will be what? 11 minus 8, that will be 3. Okay, the frequency of 40 to 49 will be 3. Means that 40 to 49 its corresponding frequency will be 3. You need to know this one. Okay, let's clear this one, is not needed. Now solution. Okay, writing the given data in correct discontinuous form, that will be, okay, I'll draw a table over here. Be easy. Table 1 2 3 4 5 5 2, table will be 5 2. Okay, let's see here, it's right over here, that means class interval and the frequency. Class interval 10 to 19, okay, frequency is 4, and then 20 to 29, the frequency is 5, and 30 to 39, 30 to 39 frequency is 8, and for 40 to 49 the frequency will be 3. As you can see here, we have calculated over here. Okay, let's erase side 1, it's not needed now. Okay, I think you are clear with the process how to get the required discontinuous each discontinuous class interval from the combined class interval. Now just see here, now the correct that means correct discontinuous form has been obtained. Now while solving the median, we cannot find the median of discontinuous data, we need to convert it into continuous. For that one we need to find what? The correction factor. Okay, correction factor, it is calculated. While finding the correction factor, we need to take two consecutive class interval. Means, okay, I'll take 20 to 29 as one, its frequency is 5. Second one is 30 to 39, its frequency is 30 to 39 is 8. Okay, see, while finding the correction factor, there is a rule or there is a formula. We need to subtract the low upper limit. This is the upper limit of preceding class interval, and this is the lower limit of succeeding class interval. Correction factor formula is lower limit of succeeding class interval, that is 30, and upper limit of preceding class interval, that is 29 over 2. It is 1 over 2. It's better to write in decimal, is 0.5. I think now you understand how to find the correction factor. Okay, let's erase this part also. This part is not needed, right? Now again we need to draw. See here. Now correction factor is obtained. Now we need to represent this discontinuous data in continuous data. Means representing discontinuous form into continuous. That is, means we need to construct the table. Okay, for this one, insert the table will be what? 1 2 3 4 5 means 6 3. We need 6 3 table. Okay, for that one, insert. Okay, table is fine. Draw. We use this one. Okay, first we need to. I think yes, it's good. Now you see here, CI class interval frequency and CF is also calculated while finding the median. CI class interval is what? The C here. Now what will be the class interval? The C here. For the class interval 10 to 19, it is in discontinuous form, and to make it in continuous means for lower limit the correction factor is subtracted, and for upper limit the correction factor is added. Then what you will get? 10 minus 0.5, it is 9.5. 19 plus 0.5, it is 19.5. Is for 10 to 19. Okay, see for the next one, 20 to 29. Okay, correction factor is subtracted to lower limit. Correction factor is added to upper limit. It is 19.5, 29.0.5, it is 29.5. So the C here, the first one class interval is 9.5 to 19.5. Second one is 19.5 to 29.5. See, 19.5, 19.5. They are linked. Okay, we need to do it this way. The C here, the first one will be 10 minus 0.5. It is 9.5 till second one is, okay, I need to extend this one, this part like this. It will be easy. I need to erase this part and this part as okay. Frequency is over here and cumulative frequency 9.5 to 19.19 plus 0.5 is 19.5. Its frequency is 4. Second one is 20 minus 0.5. It is 19.5 to 29 plus 0.5. It is 29.5. Frequency is 5. Next one is 30 minus 0.5. It is 29.5, and then it will be 39.5. Frequency is 8. And next 40 minus 0.5, it is 39.5, and 49.5, it is 49 plus 0.5 is 49.5. Its frequency is 3, and the sum of frequency is n. 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 8 17, plus 3 is 20. Now cumulative frequency means the first frequency as it is. 4 plus 5, it is 9. 9 plus 8, it is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. And we need to keep one thing in mind, is that the value of this n and this should be same. Otherwise there might be wrong while doing the addition. Okay, yes, till now we have changed the merge discontinuous data into the correct discontinuous form, and then we have calculated the correction factor, and by the help of correction factor we have represent the given discontinuous form into the required continuous form. Now before finding the median, it is the continuous data. First of all, it's better to write the formula. Okay, the median is, okay, I'll write here as the data is continuous, median is calculated by using the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF over F, it is dot, okay, into I. Now see, L is the first term, n by 2 minus CF over F into I is the second term. Are two different terms. Now we need to know what this L means. L means it is lower limit of median class. Okay, and see F, it is the frequency of median class. Okay, and I, it is the class width, or that is the gap. And then one more is left, that is CF. CF is equals to what is CF? CF means that is the cumulative frequency of preceding class interval of median class, or with respect to median class, which class is the preceding class interval, we is to take the CF of that one. Okay, let's erase this part, it is not needed, it's clear for you. This question is higher ability question. Okay, now we're going to now we need to find the position first while calculating the median for the continuous data. As median is a part of partition value, it is calculated on the basis of position. Means before finding the median, we need to find the position of median first. Position of median is calculated by using this procedure, n over 2 ts term or item, term over here, and the C, and it is 20 divided by 2 ts term, it is 10th term, okay. Then position will identify in which class interval the median lies. Okay, and see here, we can see here in the CF table there is no any presence 10 digit over 10 number over here. It means that we need to find CF just greater than, okay, let's erase this one. CF just greater than 10 is 17. We need to write just greater than. You can see here, CF greater than 10 is 17 and 20, but we need to take just greater than 1, not greater, just greater than 1, 17. Okay, the class interval corresponding to 17 is, see, for this 17 the corresponding class interval is 29.5 to 39.5, is 29.5 to 39.5. It means that, therefore, median class is equals to 29.5 to 39.5. Now this median class will help us to know the value of L. L means, see here, lower limit of median class. As median class is 29.5 to 39.5, first one is lower limit, second one is upper limit. The value of L is 29.5. Now F, frequency. F means frequency of median class. Median class is 29.5 to 39.5. Corresponding frequency is 8. Frequency is 8. After that, I means the class width. See, as it is the continuous data, the gap is same, means class width is obtained by subtracting upper limit minus lower limit. That is, it is 10. For this 29.5 to 39.5 is 10 also, 19.5 to 29.5, 10. As the class interval, the gap or the class width is same for all the class interval I. And then n over 2, it is 20 by 2, it is 10. And now comes CF. What is the value of CF? We need to find that one. CF means cumulative frequency of preceding class interval of median class. Means with respect to median class, which one is the preceding class interval? You need to identify that first. See, 29.5 to 39.5 is the median class. With respect to this one, preceding class interval is this, is 19.5 to 29.5. And the corresponding frequency of 19.5 to 29.5 is 9. That's why CF equals to 9. I think it's clear. Now we are going to solve using the formula median equals to, now median equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF over F into I. The value of L is clear, right? It's 29.5. It's 29.5. N by 2 is 10. CF is, the C here CF, it is 9 over frequency. Frequency it's 8 into I, it is 10. Now equals to 29.5 plus 10 minus 1 is 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 into 10 is 10 over 8 is equals to 29.5 plus. Now we're going to divide. Now we're going to divide 10 by 8. See here. 10 one times, sorry, 8 one times is 8. 10 minus 8, it is 2. As 2 is not divisible by 8, then into decimal, then 0 comes here. How many times? As 20 is not exactly by 8, we need to go to the near number, then 2 times, it is 16. 20 minus 16, that means 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then as we keep the decimal over here, then we can keep every 0 at, as we can keep 0 at each step, okay? Not at the same step, but in as each the next consecutive step, we can put 0 over there, 40. Then 8, how many times? 5 times. It is 40. See, the quotient is what? 1.25. And 10 divided by 8 is 1.25. Now, if you divide 29.5 with 1.25, put 0 over here. Okay, 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 29, 9 plus 1 is 10. 2, 1 is 3. It is 30.75. Okay, this rough is not needed. Okay, let's erase this part. Now, conclusion is right. Hence, the required median of given data is 30.75. Okay, this is the end of the solution. I hope that you are clear with the solution. See, discontinuous data with the merge class interval, we need to first, it's better you write the correct discontinuous form and then find correction factor, and then you find the required data in continuous form. And at first it's better to write the formula so that it will be easy for you for the further solution. And after that you need to find the position of median, and position of median helps to find the exact position or the location of the median, in which class interval does it lies. It will be clarified by finding the position of median. After finding the position of median, it's really easier for us to know the exact value of L, F, I, and N by 2 is already over there, and the CF, and then you apply the formula and the answer is obtained. Okay, I hope that the video is quite informative for you. Okay, I request you to share this video among your circle so that the next person or your next colleague or the next student can easily understand the problems related to median for discontinuous data.